easy go.
Have you ever wondered that there are Chinese names of the popular brands around us? It may be the international brands. And there are also Chinese brands that you also might want to know. So if you do, stay until the end of the video with me, because I will show you a simplified way for you to pronounce and read the Chinese names of the popular brands. Let us start with the first word for this video for you to learn about brands. And this is 牌子. 牌子. 牌子 means brands. So, repeat again with me. 牌子. 牌子 brands. Next that you want to know would be 品牌名称. 品牌名称. This means brand names. Brand names. Alright, so the next that we also want to know, because we are going to cover this in the brands, which means 展宽. 展宽. 展宽 means restaurants. People love to eat. Ones are the quick serve restaurants, which is also known as the fast food. So, the Chinese for that would be 快餐. 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 It means 快 means fast. 餐 means food or dish. 快餐, fast food. This brand is everywhere in the world. It is known as the world's international fast food brand, and we call it in Chinese 麦当劳. 麦当劳. 麦当劳 means McDonald's. McDonald's. I'm guessing you already know what's the next, which means also one of the world's biggest brands as well, which is 肯德基. 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 Can you guess what his brand is? This is Kentucky Fried Chicken, which is also known as KFC. 肯德基. Come on, repeat after me. 肯德基. The next would be 汉堡王. 汉堡王. What is this brand? It means Burger King. This is 必胜客. 必胜客 means Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Häagen-Dazs. Häagen-Dazs. Does it sound familiar? Take a guess. It means Häagen-Dazs. Häagen-Dazs. This is one of my favorite brands. 我喜欢这个牌子. 你呢? How about you? I like this brand. 赛把味. 赛把味. Guess what it is? Does it sound familiar? This is Subway. 赛把味. Subway. We have done fast food restaurants. So what's next? The next one would be 咖啡馆. 咖啡馆, which means cafes. Cafes. So, of course, you know what is the biggest cafe brand in the world. And they are everywhere. So, what is the name of the brand? Can you tell me? 星巴克. 星巴克. 星巴克 means Starbucks. Starbucks. So the next brand will be 嘉士加咖啡. 嘉士加咖啡, which means Costa Coffee. And repeat after me. 嘉士加咖啡. Of course, we are not going to go over with all the cafes. However, if you want to know one of the brands that you are just quite interested about, give me some comments below. And we will go and read your comments, and maybe we will have another video. 拼学皇后, 拼学皇后, which means Dairy Queen if you like sweets. Here we go with the sweets now. 唐恩杜乐, 唐恩杜乐, which means Dunkin Donuts. This is also a global brand, so probably you might know this brand too. So you might also know this brand, 达美乐, 达美乐, which means Domino's Pizza. It's a quite popular brand, but it's a little bit of a premium. They have a lot of premium burgers. So this brand is Shake Shack. Shake Shack. So repeat after me. 奶洗手站, 奶洗手站. Shake Shack. So the next one, if you really like beef, you might love this. This is what we call 康师傅牛肉面. 康师傅牛肉面. 师傅 means master. 牛肉 means beef. 面 means noodles. So if you combine, this is Master Kong beef noodles. Master Kong beef noodles. So we are already in the Chinese brands. And the next that I want to introduce to you would be 永和豆浆. 永和豆浆. This means 永和 soybean milk. It is like the soybean milk, the brand. However, if you go there, it has a lot of Chinese food. And the specialty is, of course, the soybean. But they have meals, they have rice, they have noodles, they have a lot of things in the menu. 家外婆家. This brand is 浙江 cuisine, 浙江餐, 浙江菜, which means this is 浙江food. Have you heard of 海底捞? 海底捞火锅. 海底捞 means the brand. 火锅 means hot pot. If you haven't seen our video about food, click the screen or click on the link below, because that will give you more and more idea what are the food that you want to eat. 锦芳泡子铺. 锦芳泡子铺. It means 锦芳 dumpling soup. They are a lot in China. It's worth exploring. If you like dumpling, if you like dumpling soup. Our Chinese learner, what have you learned? If this video has given value to you, give us those comments below, and also give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscriber bell button below, because we are going to upload new videos every week for us to give you some insights or lessons or any views about Chinese and China and Chinese culture for you to understand not only the language, but also to deepen those understanding into what are the roots of the language, which is the culture, and how are the people going to think. And this is where you will easily communicate to Chinese people. So if this video is beneficial for you, please do share our video or our channel to them so that we can extend our reach to more and more Chinese learner. And I'll see you on my next video. 再见。